My dear English Christian friends in South Africa, it is my honor to give you a sneak preview into the books we are publishing at our conference this year. So let's start with our new book on the life and ministry of Martin Holt. And the first thing to say is that it's not a biography like The Man in the Gap. We consulted Rex Jeffries, his wife. They helped us. Their son Ivor also helped us. Here you've got a classic biography which is beautifully written. This book is going deeper. We would have excerpts from Man in the Gap, and then we will have the primary sources of Martin Holt published in here. The book is about 240 pages. We've got an index here at the back as well. We have commendations of people like Conrad Mbewe, Jeffrey Thomas, South African pastors, his own children. Then we've got 18 chapters. Friends, if he was a friend, if he was a mentor for you, you would want to read this book. So much to share with you. I'm not going to do that. Primary text, you're going to hear the voice of Martin Holt in here. Now, let me say, all these books are like a puzzle. They all fit together. They all are linked to this book of Martin Holt. This one from his wife. Dirk de Waal discovered when we were doing research on this book in his son Jonathan Holt's garage. There were wonderful talks that his wife Beryl gave for Christian women and girls on Transworld Radio. We decided to make this a book with, how many is it? I think it's like 22 messages. Friends, I read this. It is beautiful. It is wisdom, reformed evangelical wisdom for women. Lovely book to have. Then my book, let me just quickly first show you the first one. This book of mine was published in 2011. Martin Holt wrote a preface for this book shortly before he passed away. Now we have for the first time an English edition, but updated. More or less 50% of this book will be new. What happened after 2011 at the General Synod, same-sex unions, interfaith worship services going on. So he had a huge impact on this book. And we've got some more information about him in this book as well. I think this book will give people who are English a fairly substantial overview of what has happened in the Dutch Reformed Church theologically at synods over the past 30 years. Also at the back, persecution going on right now. Here's an appendix of Tafelberg congregation who eventually withdrew from the denomination. So all sorts of statistics as well. So this will give you a good overview if you want to understand what happened in the Dutch Reformed Church over the past 30 years. We also have an Afrikaans edition. Let's quickly go to these ones. Here we have, some of you must remember, Martin Holt did these Romans days in Pretoria for many years at Linwood Ridge Dutch Reformed Church. And many people came to faith. He did an overview of Ephesians and Hebrews and Romans. This is the Romans book. It's about 5 pages per chapter and beautiful illustrations. This will be a wonderful book to read together with Romans. Then you all will know that Martin Holt was a prayer warrior. Here we have a collection of Puritans on prayer. Friends, this was life-changing for me. And most of these Puritans, Martin Holt knew off by heart and had a great impact in his life. Look at these names of Puritans. We've got extracts from their work on prayer. Thomas Brooks, John Bunyan, David Clarkson, William Gurnall, Samuel Lee, Christopher Love, and so forth and so forth. Sections from their work. Really compelling. And we've got one in Afrikaans as well for the first time. Then let's first just do this one, Pilgrim's Progress. We've got a new Afrikaans edition. Martin Holt loved Pilgrim's Progress. And this new Afrikaans edition, we have all the scriptural references on the sides as well. Lovely gift, I think, for if you've got Afrikaans friends to get this new edition. Then John Newton. Friends, when Martin Holt was in hospital shortly before he passed away, Jonathan Holt visited him, and then he quoted John Newton in the hospital. Friends, this was transforming for me. Letters that John Newton wrote, giving advice, pastoral counseling, people going through trials and tribulation, losing a loved one. So encouraging and challenging for a Christian. So this one also in English and also in Afrikaans. Friends, let me finish with a quote from Martin Holt, from his testimony. I don't want you to leave this place thinking, oh, what a man. No, you've got it all wrong. I want you to leave tonight and I want you to say, what a Savior, what a God. If you want to place orders after the conference, we will come back to you. Here is our email, here is our website. Make a selection of the books that you would like to order, and then after the conference, we will contact you where you can order them and purchase them online in South Africa.